Hi guys, I'm here with another very interesting Sofirn light. Yes, Sofirn, one of the big brands when it comes to small lights, flashlights, bike lights, camping lanterns and so on. And here we have something which is super interesting. So we have combination of a camping light and a very strong flashlight. It's rechargeable with USB-C. We have even reverse charge. We have a very high waterproof rating. The light itself is super strong with 2000 lumens and a maximum reach of up to 500 meters. So super exciting specs. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how you can use this in real life outside. The model type is SC03. We have a color temperature of 6000 to 6500, which is a rather cool light, similar to daylight at noon. So let's open. So we get this user manual in a couple of different languages. The most important part is this chart here where we see the different functions, but maybe you're also interested in this description and the last two pages here. But let's see what we get. We get this hand strap, very convenient. We get this charging cable USB-A to USB-C, which you can use to charge. The flashlight comes nicely protected. And so after removing all the protection, we can see how beautiful this is. Really shiny, glossy, sturdy. Also, I would say the front protection is decent and it's pretty heavy. You can feel that most of the parts are made of metal. We have a decent waterproof protection for the USB-C port. And you can see as long as we don't remove the battery protection, we cannot do anything. So we have to open it. So here we have already the battery protection. Let's remove the battery. So we can see it's a standard 21700 battery with a huge capacity of 5000 milliamps. It's very important to have standard batteries, so this protects your investment. Make sure that you can use that for long time. And now, of course, we have to recharge it. We can use any kind of USB-A to USB-C. While it's charging, it's red flashing. By the way, it doesn't have a built-in PD trigger, so when we connect it USB-C to USB-C, we can see there's no charge. I mean, no real complaint, but maybe important to know for you. And so first I've been trying around a little bit without the instructions. That's very important. So if you haven't been using the light for a longer time or you lose the instructions manual, the question is then, can you still use the flashlight? And I can definitely confirm that it's not difficult to use. Maybe you can't find all the functions, but at least it's easy to turn on the light again. What's important, if you haven't been using the light for more than 1 minute, goes into automatic lock. I've reduced the inside light a little bit so you can see this light a little bit better. So when it's in the automatic locked mode, when you push the button once, you can see it's flashing 2 times, indicating that's in the locked mode. Also a really nice reminder that you have to push 2 times to unlock it. But also a nice thing that you can still use it. It's not totally locked, so when you long press it, you can see there is still some light, but it's the low light. That's of course then also the most safe mode. You can still use it, but it's not super powerful. When you release the button, it will turn off. I would say that's also a nice child protection. So when you want to fully use it, you have to press 2 times. And now you can see it works as normal and we can cycle through the different brightness settings. So we push here again, you can see it goes into the lowest mode, which can last up to 150 hours with a full charge. Then we go into second mode, another brighter mode, and then we have number 4, which is the turbo mode. We can definitely feel the heat even here, and of course after longer usage also here. That's probably not something which you want to use all the time, and with another push goes back into the lowest brightness. When the front light is on, we can press 2 times and then it switches automatically to this lantern mode. A really nice light to illuminate, for example, a whole tent without being too bright, without blinding people. But we have also different brightnesses. I think that's the lowest. So we push here, you can see that's more bright. That's number 3 and that's number 4 also. Turbo light in the lantern mode if you need to illuminate a larger area, and goes back into low light mode, which can last up to a whopping 270 hours, which of course would be more than 10 days of continuous illumination. and with a double press would go into the front light, and in any mode you can long press and it will turn off, long press again will turn on unless you wait more than 1 minute, and then it will go into lock mode. And we also have a strobe mode. You can press 3 times. You can see endless strobe mode. I mean, there's no SOS or so, but really nice, super strong strobe mode. So let's see if we can get a reverse charge. Of course, we need USB-C to USB-C cable. So we plug it in here. And so let's plug it into my phone. And so we get confirmation that it's charging now. Says fully charged in only 34 minutes, which confirms that we have a pretty strong charge from this flashlight. Important to know, while you're charging your phone, we have only 2 different levels. So the high beam levels are not available, of course, because we are using some charge here for the phone. But still very important to know that we have this option. For example, we can use it as a lantern in the tent or so. And also during this time we can charge our phone or other equipment. And so I've been outside using it for a little bit and it worked absolutely awesome. This is so super strong. So I have no doubt that you can reach up to 500 meters distance with this flashlight. But the good thing to know that you don't have to use it on the highest level. You can also use it on very low level and also in the lantern mode on high or low level. So you can adjust it exactly to what you need. Comes with a very modern charging option, has even a reverse charging, has child safety lock, and everything looks super sturdy, really nicely built, definitely high quality, even with a very high waterproof rating for a flashlight. So definitely full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.